50 English words you're pronouncing wrong, and how to fix them. Ever feel like people are misunderstanding you, even though your English is pretty good? It might be your pronunciation. Let's tackle 5 common pronunciation mistakes and boost your confidence. Words like hour, honest, and honor often trip people up. Remember, the H is silent. Practice saying an hour, not a hour. Another tricky one is vehicle. Many people pronounce the H, but it's silent. Think of it as vehicle. The th sound can be tough for non-native speakers. Practice the difference between think, voiceless, and this, voiced. Place your tongue gently between your teeth and blow air for think. For this, vibrate your vocal cords. The vowel A in words like father and cat are different. Father has a broad ah sound, while cat has a short a sound. Similarly, bed and bird have distinct e sounds. Pay attention to your tongue position when practicing these. Consonant clusters like ester in street or supple in splash can be challenging. Practice saying them slowly at first. Break down the sounds individually, then gradually speed up. Listen to native speakers and mimic their pronunciation. Many people mispronounce ask as aches. Remember, the S comes before the K. Also, escape is often mispronounced. The correct pronunciation emphasizes the second syllable, escape. Ready to improve your English pronunciation and speak with more confidence? Subscribe to our channel for more pronunciation tips and tricks. Leave a comment below with a word you find difficult to pronounce, and we'll make a video about it.